Have you seen those viral food asthma videos where all the ingredients come one by one and everything feels super realistic and the final result is just so satisfying? Well, the crazy part is that you can create videos like this entirely with AI using Google Flow. And you don't need complicated prompts either. And you basically need two simple prompts, and if you want to make a person appear in your video, all you need is an image of that person as well. So let me show you how exactly you can create this workflow. First, go to Google Flow and create a new project. We are going to start by creating the food arranging part of the video. I already prepared a prompt for this, and as usual, I will link this prompt in the description down below so you can go and check it. Take the first prompt and paste it into the flow. Now you can create any food you want, a burger, a pizza, a sushi, basically anything else. For this example, I'm going to create a burger. So I'll replace the food name in the prompt with burger. I'll also keep the settings super simple with the burger being arranged on a clean plate. The next thing we need is the list of ingredients. For this, I simply asked ChatGPT to generate the ingredients for the food I wanted to create. So now I'm going to copy the burger ingredients and paste them into the ingredients section of the prompt here. And that's basically it. For the input option, you can choose either frames or ingredients. Since we are not uploading any image for this part, it doesn't really matter. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, select one output and choose the Omni Flash model as usual and set the duration to 10 seconds. And once everything is ready, now you can submit the prompt. After around a minute, your video should be ready, and let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the ingredients appear one by one and the transitions between each ingredients are really smooth and consistent. It looks surprisingly realistic, and honestly, it is just so satisfying to watch. Now let's create another one. This time I'm going to create a sandwich. I can simply reuse the same prompt, change the food name from burger to sandwich, and you can replace the ingredient list with the ingredients for sandwich, and that's it. And now we have another completely different video using basically the same prompt. This is where the things get interesting. You can use this same prompt, same process to create 100 different videos just by changing the food item and the ingredients. Now let's move on to the second part of this video where a person eats the food. First, download the food arranging clip you have just created. Depending on your plan, you may have different quality options available. Once the video is downloaded, open it and take a screenshot of the final frame. Or you can go here, and from here you can just save the video frame. This final frame is important because we are going to use this frame as a reference for the second video. Now upload that second screenshot back into the Google Flow. You can here choose add to prompt. At the same time, you can also upload a clear portrait of the person you want to appear in the video. This can be your own photo or someone else you want to feature. Once both images are uploaded, now you can add them to the prompt. For this step, make sure you select the ingredients option here, and now you can copy the second prompt and paste it into the flow. Again, you will need to change the food name depending on what you are creating. In my example, I am going to change that to burger, and that's it. Now you can submit the prompt and wait for the result. And now let's see what we get. As you can see, the person looks like they are actually eating the burger, and the result fits pretty well with the first clip. But there's another option. If you don't want to use the photo of yourself, you can let Flow generate a random person instead. For this version, change the input option into frames, and then you can add the screenshot of the final food frame as the first frame. And now I have given a third prompt. You can copy the third prompt and paste it into the Flow. And again, you can change the food name if necessary, and you can submit the prompt and Flow will generate a person eating the food. Personally, I recommend using your own image with the second prompt because that will give you some kind of a personal, unique video. And just like before, you can repeat this process again and again for different foods and create hundreds of images, hundreds of different clips. Now, once both these parts are ready, as usual, now we can combine them into one clip. For that, you can use any video editor. Here, I'm going to use Canva. Open Canva and create a new mobile video project. And now go to upload section and upload both video clips. Add the first clip to the first page, and then add the second page and place the second clip there. Right click on each video and choose set video as background. And now let's play the two clips together. As you can see, the transition from the food arranging clip to the eating clip can look really smooth. And now let's make the visuals a little more vibrant. Select the first clip, go to edit, and then go to adjust. And here you can do any changes you want, increase the saturation, highlights, do anything you want. And you can do the same thing with the second clip as well. This gives the videos a brighter and more cinematic looks. And now let's improve the asthma video. Right click on the first video and select extract audio. You can do the same thing with the second video. And now select one of the audio tracks and you can click the audio settings and choose balance all. Canva will automatically balance the audio levels across all clips. This can make the food sound more clearer and very interesting and very asthma style video. And that's basically the whole process. You start with one simple food arranging prompt and you change the food type, you change the ingredients, and you can generate hundreds of videos with one prompt, one process, and one tool. So that's pretty much it. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tricks and new AI ideas, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.